Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean top loader LG washing machine. So first thing is just simply empty the washer and make sure the drum is empty before starting the cleaning process. And after that, just simply press power, then select tub clean. And if your model doesn't have it, choose the normal cycle with hot water. Now pour LG washing machine cleaner or use 2 cups of white vinegar directly into the drum. No laundry, of course, and start the tub clean cycle and let it complete. And this removes detergent, residue, and bacteria. And after that, just simply clean dispensers and lint filter. So remove and wash the detergent tray and check for a lint filter inside the drum or near the agitator. And rinse it under warm water. Now, you could also use damp cloth to wipe the drum, lid, and outer surfaces, and leave the lid open to let it air dry completely. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.